everyone, Cheryl here today, and today I wanted to share with you in Cricut Design Space how I changed the colors, and not only that, how I get my mats, the colors down to from 10 to 5 or 10 to 4. And so I kind of wanted to just show you that. So we have the little giraffe and accessories here, and I want to show you that if you come up to the Make It and you click on that, this is just going to show you how many mats it's going to prepare, and then also sometimes there's colors that look the same in the design space when we're working, but they're not the same, and so you can just really quickly come over here and look and see these two they look very close. So I just kind of like to get an idea. Sometimes I don't do this all the time, and then we want to cancel that, so we can come back over and I'll show you the other way to see if colors are the same or aren't. And so if you come over here, you can ungroup this, and I'm just waiting for it to load it all because I can tell it's not done. Okay, so we want to ungroup this first. So I'm going to show you. If you come up here to the right top corner, we're going to ungroup all that. And I'm going to show you how you can check the colors in here as well if you don't want to go to the mat. Let's say you just want to check to make sure when you're changing colors and so forth. So we want to see what color that one is. That one's this second color here, the second brown. And then these should be the second brown. This one is the third. So we know I want to change this to be with that. This one should be the first, and it is. Okay, so that's one way to do it. And so the next way is like typically you can click over here on the pieces on the right, and it'll bring the color up as well. So you could do that. Even if they're grouped together, you could always click one over here. So I know I want to change this color. Let's change it. Usually I do white. I'm going to do yellow. So let's go with yellow on that. And then I know I need to come over, and I'm using my mouse, and I'm just going to hold it down right now, the left side, and I'm dragging a box. You can see I have the little plus sign, and I'm going to grab all those, and I want to come up here, and I want to change that to the second color. And I want to do the same with this. So see how I'm grabbing those. And I'm just going to change those because I can distress them later. I want to do the same thing with the spoon. I already know I want that like possibly a light silver. So if I click on this gray, I can go advanced and I can change the color. This way it just reminds me. And then I'm going to come over these. I don't want those colors. So I think I want them white. That gives me the option of changing this color. Whoops. And I didn't want to move that. Let's undo that. Undo. Should undo it. Okay. So I want to come and click up, and it wants to grab it all. So I'm just going to click this one. Sometimes it does that. I want to do the white and the white. And that should be the same white. Yep. Okay. So I'm down to 5 mats now, and that's good for me. And so I'm going to come right here, and I just want to grab all these pieces, get them all grouped back. So I'm going to come back over to the group and get them grouped together. And so that's how you can change the colors. It just shows you 2 different ways you can do it. Normally when you don't have this many pieces, if you look on the right here, see how it's grouped together? When you look on the right, when you don't have all these little pieces, you're able to just easily come over here and change the color. And that's typically all I have to do for the backer, or if like I have to change a eye color or something. But this just helps me pick my paper. I keep my scraps right next to me, and I'm able to just pull those. So I'm going to duplicate these. You can come up. Oh, nope. I want to resize it first. Sorry, you guys. I want these down. And all I did was take the box in the corner right here, and that's how I'm resizing. And that way it keeps everything the way it should be. And so now I want to duplicate. And so I can just hit this twice and it'll give me 3. And you can leave them like this and go to the mat and or have it make it. It will cut them out. Because I save my files, normally I move them. So, and then just move this one over here. And then that way you can come up to the save it, and we can save it. And I'm just going to call this one the baby giraffe. And then I can save it. And then that way I can go into my stuff later and grab this and cut it, because I won't be cutting it today. And so I do hope you enjoyed my video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos, please follow. And thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.